Rick Sanchez might be one of the smartest characters ever written, but here's the disturbing truth about his burps that nobody talks about. Before I tell you, subscribe. Because this channel is full of dark and mind-bending facts from your favorite shows.
Only old person there, Morty.
When Rick and Morty first started, the creators wanted Rick to sound unhinged, unpredictable, always on the edge. So voice actor Justin Roiland decided to literally drink beer and soda before recording, then belch mid-sentence, for real.
Morty.
Those weren't sound effects. Those were actual burps, kept intentionally to make Rick sound like he'd been trapped in a spiral of genius and self-destruction. What's more, the randomness of those burps became part of his character psychology, representing how unstable, disgusted, and chaotic Rick's mind truly is. So yeah, those disgusting burps, they're not random. They're storytelling.
Yeah, seeds we're off. You're gonna lose Harding right about now.